Hello, now we'll see sedative hypnotics from the CNS acting drugs. So, sedative hypnotics are classified into four categories, that is, barbiturates, benzodiazepine, newer non benzodiazepine hypnotics, and other CNS depressant drugs. There are three classes of barbiturates, that is, long acting, short acting, and ultra short acting. Phenobarbital is long acting barbiturate sedative hypnotic. Butobarbital and pentobarbital is short-acting barbiturate sedative hypnotic. Thiopentone and methoxytone is ultra-short-acting barbiturate sedative hypnotic. Benzodiazepines are also of three classes, that is hypnotic, anti-anxiety, and anticonvulsant. Diazepam, flurazepam, nitrazepam, alprazolam, temazepam, and triazolam are hypnotic benzodiazepine sedative hypnotics. Diazepam, chlordiazepoxide, oxazepam, lorazepam, and alprazolam and are anti-anxiety benzodiazepine sedative hypnotics. Diazepam, lorazepam, clonazepam, and clobazam are anti-convulsant benzodiazepine sedative hypnotics. Zopiclone, zolpidem, and zoliplone are newer non-benzodiazepine hypnotics. Other CNS depressants which are used as sedative hypnotics includes chloral hydrate, triclophos, paraldehyde, glutathione, methylprednisolone, methaqualone, meprobamate, promethazine, chlorpromazine, amitriptyline, morphine, and hyoscine. Now we'll see the questions of each class. The general principles in the use of hypnotics include the following. A hypnotic may be used intermittently for up to 2 to 3 weeks in short-term insomnia due to emotional stress. In patients with chronic insomnia, a hypnotic should be used regularly. A hypnotic with slow elimination is preferred in patients with early morning awakening. Following is not a CNS depressant but increases the tendency to fall asleep at night, that is melatonin. The primary mechanism of action of benzodiazepine is facilitation of GABA-mediated chloride influx. The barbiturate having higher anticonvulsant sedative activity ratio is phenobarbital, which is long-acting barbiturate class sedative hypnotic. Drug that antagonizes diazepam action non-competitively is bicuculline. Diazepam is hypnotic benzodiazepine sedative hypnotic class drug. Drug exert their action through the GABA A benzodiazepine class receptor channel complex is bicuculline, zolpidem, phenobarbital. Among them, phenobarbital is long-acting barbiturate class sedative hypnotic and zolpidem is never non-benzodiazepine hypnotic. At a single hypnotic dose, the pharmacokinetics of diazepam is characterized by slow elimination with marked redistribution. The following is a rare, potent, and short-acting benzodiazepine whose use as hypnotic has been noted to cause psychiatric disturbances in some cases. That is triazolam, which is hypnotic benzodiazepine class drug. Zopiclone from the newer non-benzodiazepine hypnotic class sedative hypnotics. It is a non-benzodiazepine hypnotic with efficacy and safety similar to benzodiazepines. It does not produce rebound sleep disturbances on discontinuation, and it is used to wean off insomnias from regular benzodiazepine use. The drug that has been found to be more selective for the omega-1 subtypes of benzodiazepine receptor and produces hypnotic action but little anti-anxiety muscle relaxant or anticonvulsant action is zolpidem from the newer non-benzodiazepine hypnotic class drug. Zolpidem differs from diazepam in that its hypnotic action shows little fading on repeated nightly use. Diazepam is indicated in the following conditions. So, in tetanus, febrile convulsions, and cardiac catheterization, diazepam is used as hypnotic benzodiazepine sedative hypnotic class drug. The following drug is used to reverse the CNS depression produced by diazepam, that is flumazenil. It has no CNS effect of its own, but blocks the depressant effect of diazepam as well as stimulant effect of beta carbolines. Barbiturate doesn't exert the following actions, that is, they doesn't exert the actions of analgesic or analgesia. Hypnotic dose of diazepam produces the following action, that it decreases nocturnal gastric acid secretion. Which of the following processes plays the major role in terminating the action of phenobarbital? That is renal excretion. Phenobarbital is a short-acting barbiturate class sedative hypnotic drug. Correct statement about benzodiazepine. All benzodiazepines facilitate GABA-mediated chloride influx into neurons. Currently, barbiturates are primarily used as anti-epileptic drugs. Benzodiazepines differ from barbiturates in the following aspects: that they have higher, that is, benzodiazepine have higher therapeutic index, have lower abuse liability, and they do not induce microsomal drug metabolizing enzymes. Hypnotic benzodiazepine increase the period of time spent in the following stage of sleep, that is stage 2, where heart rate slows and body temperature drops. So there are 4 stages of sleep. One first stage involves falling asleep or it is light sleep. In second stage, heart rate slows down and body temperature also drops. In stage third and fourth, that will be deep sleep where muscles and tissue repairing will happen, and in rapid eye movement sleep, body is paralyzed and dreams start to begin. Thanks.